of Plain Food.
We love Plain Food.
This year, I went on my first 2-month backpacking trip with Katie. Our trip started off with 40 hours of traveling with a day in Taipei. Our first stop after was Thailand, then Vietnam, Cambodia, and finally the Philippines. Traveling Asia is something I've always wanted to do. Now that it's over, it's given me a lot of time to reflect. The people. They can teach you a lot about yourselves, and most importantly, others. It's easy to go through life being ignorant to others and their needs. We really want to immerse ourselves in the culture and learn from them. But of course, we also wanted to have some fun. Some of the best memories are from the people we met
So me
along
and
the
Katie were
way.
just talking, and these are definitely our grandmas from another life.
Yeah,
So this is us too, and there's our grandmas.
We also went on some pretty questionable bus rides. But if it weren't for those bus rides, we wouldn't have made it to the beach. One of the biggest things I learned was how we could survive on so little.
Cheap luxury! Guys, we're in Koh Phi Phi.
But nothing beats the sunsets we caught. The most beautiful things are often the most unexpected.
Guys, we made it. Kylie made it back from the dead.
There was like these girls around me and they're like, all your friends are on a boat, like you need to go. And I was like, what boat are they on?
Meal in Thailand before we leave tomorrow. This is literally like one of our last days in Thailand.
Looking back, I'm so incredibly grateful.
Sure.
Life can be filled with beautiful moments. Make every second of every day count.